Good morning, this is Peter from Zzipp Media right here. Today you don't find me in Weymouth. I've come to have a day out by myself, and I've come to a place that I've always wanted to get to. When I was a kid in secondary modern school, in geography, every year I always studied dinosaurs. I loved dinosaurs. I guess a lot of kids do. Today I've come down to Lyme Regis here in Dorset and encounter another lady who is fascinated by dinosaurs. We are just coming up to her statue now on my left hand side. It was a bit windy in here. I apologise about that. I'll see what I can do about that in post-production. Here we are. This is Mary Anning, another lady who was fascinated by fossils. I actually filmed a stage production by As One Theatre set at the Weymouth Pavilion. I'll put a link somewhere above this video. There we are, Mary Anning, as the inscription says on the base, Mary Anning 1799 to 1847. It's very beautiful down here in Lyme Regis. It's the first time I've been here in a very, very long time. It's a pretty little place, and it all started here with Mary Anning. I've just come here for the day out on the X53 bus. It's a lovely day. I might bring Gina down here one day. If you're an OAP, you can get here quite easily on your bus pass. It's free, so it's lovely afternoon for a walk. I believe you can still find fossils along this beach, so you can follow in the footsteps of Mary Anning. I'll put a link to a biography and other things for Mary Anning under this video. That's a pretty part of Lyme Regis down there on the beach. I'm just walking through the gardens now. The bus ride from Weymouth took about 2.5 hours down to Lyme Regis through beautiful green countryside. It's very nice, it's very lovely. It's a bit of a blustery day today, but otherwise it is quite lovely. One thing very distinctive about Lyme Regis are the lamp standards, the street lamp standards. Look like fossils, I guess, because of the Mary Anning and the connection with fossils. So let's just have a walk down to that little bay right there. On my walk down to the little bay, I found this, the Reader, Victoria Westaway. This sculpture represents slowing down time. It reminds us of stepping away and getting lost in stories and fables. Meters of steel wire is twisted, looped, and tied to create stylized figurative forms that sit calmly, offering others to share the space. www.victoriawestaway.co.uk. I'll put a link to that under the video, and here is the statue. The bench says in memory of Charles Hulse, 1924-2002, in memory of Joan Hulse, 1925-2003. That is a lovely walk along there to the statue that I first showed you. A lovely walk on a lovely day. The clouds are a little grey, but there are blue patches coming out, which is really nice. It is a lovely day. As I say, the clouds are a bit low and a bit grey today, but it really is a nice day for a trip out. Just a thought that occurred to me. Was the French lieutenant's woman filmed here in Lyme Regis on the Cobb where I am now? Yeah, I think it was filmed somewhere around here. If you know for sure, leave a comment under this video and I'll get back to you. But it really is a lovely day here in Lyme Regis. I'll just do a quick scan of the area where I am. There's an aquarium over there. Look at those cliffs over there. Aren't they fabulous? I know a number of rockfalls have occurred over there over the past few years, but it still looks beautiful as I come round to Lyme Regis itself. I guess this is what they call the Cobb. You can see cannons on the wall there. It's very lovely. Very lovely. People walking. Do you know of any other films that were locationed here in Lyme Regis in Dorset? Leave a comment under the video and let me know if you have any links to any other movies that were filmed here. It would be interesting for me to see. On my walk here, I just noticed this outside the RNLI Lyme Regis office. Dogs, I think, made of Wellington boots. There we are. just something unusual. Walking through the gardens here today, the beach and the gardens I've discovered have free Wi-Fi, so that's really useful. Also, something else I discovered as I was walking through the gardens was this statue. At first I thought it was Shakespeare, but no, it's Admiral Sir George Somers KT, 1554 to 1610, founder of Bermuda. This statue is donated to the town of Lyme Regis by Chairman R.J. McHardy and the members of the Lyme Regis St George's Twinning Association, and donations from many others. It also has a little plaque here. Admiral Sir George Somers KT, born Lyme Regis 1554, died Bermuda 1610. I'll see if I can find a Wikipedia entry for Sir George Somers KT and put a link under this video. So I hope you've enjoyed my quick visit to Lyme Regis here in Dorset. Just a quick day out. If you want to see more videos that I've done, you can go to my channel. I shall put the subscribe button right up there, and also another video or a playlist right there. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like, it's all good. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.